In this video, I will show you how to create a custom Discord server invite link. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. A custom Discord server invite link is a really good idea as it does make these invite link more personal to your server. To get started, open up Discord, and what you want to do is come across to your server. So if you come to the server list on the left hand side and click onto the server that you want to create a custom server invite link for. Then what you want to do is come up to the top left hand corner, click onto the server name to bring up this menu, and then click onto invite people. From the window that comes up, come down to the bottom and you're going to see an option down here which says edit invite link. Give that a click and that's going to bring up a window like this, where you can go ahead and set the settings for your invite link, so whether you want it to expire after 7 days or never, and the maximum number of uses. Now once you've done that, click onto the blue generate a new link button. Then what you want to do is come and click the copy button at the bottom. You're going to see if I paste this into here, it looks something like this. Now if you want to make this more personal and make it your own custom invite link, then what you want to do is copy and paste the code that's in the video description down below this video. So it's going to look something like this. Now what you need to do is you're going to see at the end of the code it says invite with these two brackets. What you need to do is put your initial original invite link here, just like this, and at the top you're going to see it says discord.gg/code. Now what you want to do is get rid of the code box with the brackets like this and just enter the custom name into here. So for example, I'm going to set this one to Tech Tutors Server. Now once you've done that, hit enter on your keyboard, and what it's going to do is generate your invite link as you can see here. And now what you can do is send this to anyone you want, and when they click that they're going to get a link to join your server. So that's how to create a custom Discord server invite link. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.